Whether you have low desk real estate or just like a more compact profile to your keyboards, the Drevo Calibur X offers you an elegant option with its minimalistic design. Join me as we take an in-depth look at the Drevo Calibur X. The Drevo Calibur X is a compact 71-key mechanical keyboard. It comes in two varieties, white like the one you see here, and black. I think the small form factor of this keyboard makes it look really classy. There's an elegance in its simplicity, and if you like that kind of thing, I think you'll be pretty satisfied. This keyboard does feature RGB backlighting, but keep in mind that it's not the 16.8 million color RGB backlighting that you'll find on today's top tier keyboards. But it does allow for per key illumination that you can change and save on the keyboard's internal memory without the use of software. The colors you can choose from include red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, and white. In addition to creating your own lighting profiles, the keyboard also comes with quite a few preset options that you can toggle in between. There are 5 brightness settings that you can toggle on the fly via the function and arrow keys. Now this is especially worth mentioning because this keyboard gets really bright. The LED lighting on this keyboard is absolutely brilliant and it completely blew me away. I think this is especially true of the white version because there's almost a translucence to the keycaps when the brightness is all the way up. The backplate is also silver, so it acts kind of like a mirror to help reflect the light, and it looks really stunning. The Drevo Calibur X has PBT keycaps that feel really nice. They were one of the first things that really grabbed my attention, and it's nice to see such great quality keycaps. I also always like to see keycaps that allow for all of the secondary functions to be illuminated. On the subject of typing, this keyboard uses Outemu blue switches. After typing on it for a while and comparing it with genuine Cherry MX blue switches, I can confidently say that the actuation force feels almost the same. I also noticed that the click sound that you hear upon actuation is a good deal lower in pitch than the Cherry MX blue. Now this isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's just the way that they sound. On that note, here's a quick sound test of the Outemu blue switches. Another nice feature of this keyboard is that it comes with Bluetooth connectivity. With up to 20 hours of battery life during continuous use and its small size, I think this keyboard would also make a great addition to a media room setup. Of course, you can also use it with the included USB cable while charging, or just leave it plugged in and use it that way. The underside of this keyboard has 6 rubber pads to stop it from slipping, and if that wasn't enough, the adjustable legs underneath the keyboard are also rubberized as well. This keyboard retails for $65.99. Drevo managed to pack a lot of features into this keyboard for that price. The quality PBT keycaps are a huge plus. The LED lighting, while not as good as 16.8 million color RGB, is still nice and vibrant and allows for much more customization than most keyboards do at this price point. Bluetooth is also a plus as well. However, this keyboard isn't going to be for everyone. Its 61-key layout removes the number pad and the F keys, which might turn off some users who use these keys a lot. Of course, you can still use the F keys by combining the function key and the number keys respectively. Overall, if you're looking for a low-priced, compact mechanical keyboard to complement a minimalistic setup, to take on the go, or to add to a media room, then I think this keyboard is a great option. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of keyboards with this compact 65% design, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more reviews like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter at BrainBeanGaming. And lastly, if you'd like to help support the channel, you can find my Amazon affiliate link in the description, which really helps make these videos possible. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.